Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of finance. Today we're diving into the thrilling and dynamic world of commodity trading. This is where the action happens, where fortunes are made and lost, and where the pulse of the global economy can be felt. It might sound complicated at first glance, but trust me, it's not as daunting as it seems. With a bit of knowledge and the right approach, anyone can understand and even excel in this field. We'll break it down together step by step. From understanding the basics to executing your first trade, we'll cover it all. Commodities are the raw materials that form the backbone of our global economy. They are the essential building blocks that keep the world running smoothly. Think oil and gas that fuel our cars, heating our homes and powering industries. Gold and silver that adorn our jewelry, representing wealth and beauty, and also serving as a hedge against inflation. And agricultural products like corn, wheat and coffee that nourish us, providing the food and beverages we consume daily. These basic goods are essential for our everyday lives. They are the unseen forces that drive our daily activities, from the food we eat to the energy we use. Commodity trading involves buying and selling these raw materials in the marketplace. It's a fast-paced, high-stakes environment where every decision counts. It's a fascinating world where supply and demand, global events and economic trends all collide to influence prices. Natural disasters, political events and economic policies can all have a significant impact on commodity prices. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding commodity trading can open up a world of opportunities. It's a field that offers both challenges and rewards, and with the right knowledge, you can navigate it successfully. So buckle up and let's get started. We're about to embark on a journey that will not only enhance your understanding of the global economy, but also equip you with the tools to make informed investment decisions. Let's dive in and explore the building blocks of the world together. Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, they're trading tons of crude oil, bushels of wheat, and ounces of gold. This is the commodity market in a nutshell. It's a vibrant and dynamic environment where the stakes are high and the rewards can be substantial. Here, traders are constantly on the move, making split-second decisions that can lead to significant profits or losses. The energy is palpable, and the atmosphere is charged with anticipation and excitement. It's where producers and consumers from around the globe come together to buy and sell these essential raw materials. These transactions are crucial for the global economy, as they ensure the steady supply of vital commodities that fuel industries and sustain livelihoods. These markets are primarily electronic platforms, like online trading platforms you might use for stocks. The digital age has revolutionized commodity trading, making it more accessible and efficient. Real-time data and advanced analytics tools empower traders to make informed decisions quickly. However, some commodities are still traded in physical locations, known as exchanges. These traditional trading floors are steeped in history and have their own unique charm. They serve as a reminder of the market's rich heritage and the evolution of trade practices over the centuries. Think of it like the New York Stock Exchange, but for things like coffee or sugar. These exchanges are bustling hubs where traders shout bids and offers, creating a lively and competitive environment. The beauty of the commodity market is its accessibility. With the advent of technology, anyone with an internet connection can participate in this global marketplace. This democratization of trading has opened up new opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. Anyone can participate, from large corporations hedging against price fluctuations to individual investors seeking to diversify their portfolios. Corporations use these markets to manage risks associated with price volatility, ensuring stability in their operations. Whether you're a farmer protecting your crop prices or a speculator betting on market movements, the commodity market offers a dynamic and potentially lucrative playing field. Farmers can lock in prices for their produce, securing their income against unpredictable market conditions. Speculators, on the other hand, thrive on market fluctuations, aiming to profit from price changes. The roots of commodity trading can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where merchants traded goods like spices, silk, and grains. Over time, these practices evolved, leading to the sophisticated markets we see today. The principles, however, remain the same. Supply and demand drive prices, and traders seek to capitalize on these movements. Today, commodity trading is a highly specialized field, with experts analyzing global trends, geopolitical events, and economic indicators to predict market movements. Conferences and seminars bring together industry leaders to share insights and strategies, fostering a community of knowledge and innovation. The commodity market is also evolving with the times, embracing new sectors like renewable energy. Commodities such as solar panels, wind turbines, and lithium for batteries are becoming increasingly important as the world shifts towards sustainable energy solutions. This transition presents new opportunities and challenges for traders and investors. In the end, the commodity market is a place of endless possibilities. It's where buyers and sellers converge, driven by the pursuit of profit and the need to manage risks. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, the market offers a wealth of opportunities to explore and capitalize on. So dive in, stay informed, and embrace the dynamic world of commodity trading. One of the most common ways to trade commodities is through futures contracts. These contracts are a staple in the world of commodity trading, providing a structured way to engage with the market. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. While it might sound complex, the concept is quite straightforward once you break it down. A futures contract is simply an agreement to buy or sell a specific quantity of a commodity at a predetermined price on a future date. This agreement is legally binding and ensures that both parties honor the terms set forth. Think of it like pre-ordering your favorite coffee beans for delivery next month at today's price. By doing this, you are securing the current price, regardless of any market fluctuations that might occur before your coffee is delivered. You're locking in the price now, regardless of whether the market price goes up or down in the future. This can be particularly advantageous in volatile markets where prices can swing dramatically. Futures contracts are used by both hedgers and speculators. These two groups have different motivations and strategies when it comes to trading futures. Hedgers, like farmers, use them to protect themselves from price volatility. For instance, a farmer might use a futures contract to lock in a price for their crop months before the harvest, ensuring they receive a fair price regardless of market conditions at the time of sale. Speculators, on the other hand, use them to profit from price movements. They are not interested in the physical commodity itself, but rather in the potential financial gains from price changes. By predicting market trends, speculators can buy low and sell high, or vice versa, to make a profit. It's a fascinating world of risk and reward, and understanding futures contracts is key to navigating the commodity markets. The balance between risk and reward is what makes futures trading both challenging and exciting. Futures trading has a long history, dating back to ancient times when merchants would agree on prices for goods to be delivered at a later date. This practice has evolved significantly, becoming more sophisticated and regulated over the centuries. Today, futures trading takes place on modern trading floors and electronic trading platforms, making it accessible to a global audience. Technology has revolutionized the way futures contracts are traded, providing real-time data and analytics to traders. A wide range of commodities can be traded through futures contracts, including agricultural products like wheat and corn, energy resources like oil and natural gas, and precious metals like gold and silver. Each commodity has its own market dynamics and factors that influence its price. Successful futures trading requires thorough research and analysis. Traders must stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events that can impact commodity prices. This knowledge helps them make informed decisions and manage their risk effectively. Risk management is a crucial aspect of futures trading. Traders use various strategies to mitigate risk, such as setting stop-loss orders, diversifying their portfolio, and using leverage cautiously. Understanding and managing risk is essential for long-term success in the futures market. There are numerous educational resources and tools available for those interested in futures trading. Online courses, webinars, and trading simulators can help beginners learn the basics and develop their skills. Experienced traders can also benefit from advanced analytics and trading software. The futures trading community is vibrant and supportive, with traders often sharing insights and strategies through forums, social media, and networking events. Engaging with this community can provide valuable perspectives and help traders stay updated on market developments. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to thriving in the futures market. As market conditions change, traders must be flexible and willing to adjust their strategies. Staying curious and open to new information is essential for long-term success. In conclusion, trading on the future of commodities through futures contracts offers a world of opportunities. Whether you're a hedger looking to manage risk or a speculator seeking profit, understanding the intricacies of futures trading can open doors to new possibilities. Embrace the challenge, stay informed, and navigate the exciting landscape of commodity futures with confidence. Section 4. Options contracts, the power of choice in commodity trading. Now let's talk about options contracts. Options are like futures contracts, but with a twist. They give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a commodity at a specific price on or before a certain date. Think of it like having a rain check for those coffee beans. You have the option to buy them at the agreed upon price, but you're not obligated to if the market price drops. Options contracts offer more flexibility than futures contracts, but they also come with their complexities. They're a powerful tool for managing risk and maximizing profits, but they require a deeper understanding of market dynamics. Section 5. Why trade commodities? Diversification and inflation protection. Now you might be wondering, why bother with commodity trading? Well, there are several compelling reasons why including commodities in your investment portfolio can be beneficial. Firstly, commodities offer diversification. They often move independently of stocks and bonds, meaning they can cushion your portfolio during market downturns. When the stock market zigzags, commodities might just zag, providing a much-needed hedge. Secondly, commodities can act as a hedge against inflation. When the prices of goods and services rise, commodity prices tend to rise as well. So investing in commodities can help preserve your purchasing power during inflationary periods. Section 6. Riding the waves. Trend following in commodity trading. Now let's dive into some popular commodity trading strategies. One common approach is trend following. Just like surfing, trend followers aim to catch the big waves in the market. They identify established trends, either up or down, and ride them for as long as they last. They use technical analysis, studying charts and indicators to spot patterns and predict future price movements. Trend following can be highly profitable during strong market moves, but it requires discipline and a keen eye for identifying and capitalizing on trends. Remember, timing is everything.